I just want to show this setup for you carpet cleaners who clean upholstery and how to properly set up an upholstery job. You need to have either 2 or 3 stations. This station here with the fan and the tarp is for the cushions, to dry the cushions. This is another station to dry more cushions. Is a table and a stool for cleaning. I always clean the cushions first so that we can get them as dry as possible, especially if you're going to protect them. And then I clean the frames of these 2 chairs, this sofa, and these 2 chairs. So by the time I clean the frame, the pillows will be not quite 100% dry, but 80% dry. So this is how you properly set up an upholstery cleaning. If you have any questions, you can call Chandler or PM me, and I can go into even more detail. But now I'm going to pull out my equipment. Thanks for viewing.